Now today we are going to derive the three equations of motions known as the kinematic equations graphically. Look at this graph carefully. We have got x-axis and y-axis. X-axis we have taken time, y-axis we have taken the velocity. So it is a velocity time graph. We are taking the motion of an object who is initially at point A, and from A it is going to point B. Okay, so the coordinates of A are, now A is lying on the y-axis, so x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is u. So coordinate of A is 0 comma u. Now B, you can see over here at the top, the x coordinate is t and the y coordinate is v. So B is t comma v. So for a time t seconds, the body travels from A to B, whose initial velocity is u and the final velocity is v. Now to find the acceleration, we know that we have to find the slope of AB. So we will find slope of AB. Now what is slope of AB? Y coordinate difference upon x coordinate difference. Now y coordinate difference will be v minus u and upon t minus 0. So v minus u upon t. And for acceleration we will write a. So we get a is equal to v minus u upon t. Cross multiply, you get at is equal to v minus u. So v is equal to u plus at. This is your first equation. Now what we will do for the second equation, we will consider the distance or the displacement. Now s is equal to, if you want to find the displacement, what did we see? We have to take all the area which is below the graph, below the line AB. From B we will draw perpendicular to the x-axis, and whatever is down there, area of that region. Now this region is nothing but a trapezium, that is O, A, B, D. See properly, O, A, B and D. This becomes a trapezium. So we will find the area of this trapezium. The area of this trapezium can be also calculated as, it can be divided as area of rectangle OAED. See carefully, OAED. Area of this rectangle plus area of the triangle BAE. If we add both, we will get the area of trapezium. So that is what we are doing. Area of trapezium OABD is area of rectangle OADE plus area of triangle ABE. But what is how you will find area of this rectangle OAED? Length into breadth, that is OD into DE. What is OD? OD is t seconds. And what is DE? DE is from 0 to u, that is u. So you get OD into DE, that is t into u. Now area of ABE, area of triangle ABE will be half base into height. Base is AE and height is BE. So what is AE? AE is also equal to OD, that is T. And BE is what? It will be complete V minus U. BE will be what? It will be BD minus ED. BD is V. ED is U. So BE is V minus U. See, this entire thing, this we want only so much BE. But this whole BD is how much? It is equal to V. And how much is this ED? ED is equal to U. So this BE will be V minus U. So much distance we want. So it will be this full distance V minus this distance U. So this is equal to V minus U. So half into base, that is T into V minus U. So you get now T into U means UT plus 1/2 T. Now this V minus U, what will do? Now you know that we found out A is equal to V minus U upon T. So V minus U is AT. So instead of V minus U, I will put AT. So I get S is equal to UT plus 1/2 AT square. This is the second equation. Now for the third, again I will find S, but now I will put the formula of area of trapezium. That is 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into the height. This is the area of a trapezium. You must have done that, I think 7th, 8th standard. Now, what are the parallel sides of this trapezium? This is the trapezium, OABD. Okay, this OABD. This is your trapezium, like this. Okay, this is a trapezium, what you are getting here. What is parallel? Which sides are parallel? BD and OA and BD. So OA plus BD. What is OA? Distance U. What is BD? V. So we get over here U plus V. And what is OD? Height. That is T. So we get over here U plus V into T. Now come to the same substitution. What you can write for T? Take T here, A will come here. So T can be written as V minus U upon A. So instead of T I wrote V minus U upon A. Now you see this is 1/2 U plus V into, or I can write V plus U into V minus U. So this is nothing but A plus B, A minus B. So it is A square minus B square. V square minus U square. In maths you have done in identities. So 1/2 V square minus U square upon A. Okay, so it becomes S is equal to V square minus U square upon 2 into A, that is 2A. Cross multiply, you get 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. You can keep it as it is, or you can write V square is equal to 2AS plus U square, or you can simply write V square minus 2 square is equal to 2AS. This is the third equation. So these are the three equations. They will ask you for the derivation. Textbook it is given in a very haphazard manner, so don't do that. Do it from this page. I will be posting this page. Okay, so this completes your chapter.